Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your stock market knowledge with Investopedia easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your stock market knowledge using Investopedia, start by navigating to the Investopedia website. Once there, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in stock market and hit enter. You will see a list of articles and resources related to the stock market. Select the introductory article on stock market basics. Read through the content to familiarize yourself with key concepts and terminology. Take notes on important terms like stocks, bonds, dividends, and market orders. Next, explore the Investopedia dictionary to deepen your understanding of financial terms. Search for specific stock market terms you encountered in your reading. Use the definitions to better comprehend how these terms apply in real-world scenarios. After grasping the basics, proceed to the trading section of the website. Review articles and tutorials on trading strategies and techniques. Focus on beginner-friendly topics such as market analysis and risk management. Utilize the investment simulation tools available on Investopedia. Create a free account to access these interactive features. Engage with the stock simulator to practice trading without real money. Make virtual trades based on your newfound knowledge. Track your progress and refine your strategies over time. Lastly, consider taking one of their online courses for structured learning. Choose the course that best aligns with your current knowledge level. Complete quizzes and assignments to reinforce your learning. By following these steps, you'll effectively reset and enhance your stock market knowledge using Investopedia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.